All right, here we go. I've already cut off all the plastic wrap and tape, so that made it easier to open. When you get inside, you're going to have everybody's important instruction manual. I'm going to need that to be able to figure out how to sync stuff. We got adhesive pads. That's actually for, I'm going to do a different mount than the mount that's in here. These are for my magnetic mount for my dash, so I'm actually going to use that on there, but that's what's that. Information, the user manual on the side cameras as well as the backup camera. TPMS sensors, all 4 of them. This kit has 4. You can expand to, I think, up to like 10, 12, something like that. I'll put it in the comments below. But here's the here's the monitor. I will tell you right now, this monitor is way more robust than the one for the Furrion. The Furrion is very light. This one's got some heft to it. I'm hoping that I can still use my magnetic mount. I'm hoping this one's maybe not a little too heavy and I have to use the dash mount, but we'll see. We've got the side marker cameras. They look very similar to the ones that I'll be taking off. Pretty easy. It looks like it's got 3 wires, and I'll have to read the instructions, and it's got a rubber backing to help create a watertight seal. Set that there. Bring out the other one. I'll just leave these TPMS sensors in here until we decide that we're going to install it. And then down here, you've got all the doohickeys. The antennas, you've got the camera itself that goes on the back. Oh, I also got the extension for the camera. I just want to make the signal as strong as I can, so I decided to go with the external mounting extender, or range extender for the rear camera. We only have a 30-foot travel trailer, so I don't think it's going to be an issue, but I figured better signal than not. So here is one of the mounts you can use for either the dash if you've got a little plastic dish on there, or you can suction it, cup it to the window. Let me see, we got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, we got some connectors, probably. I'll have to see what all of this is for, so I'm just going to leave a lot of it in here. Oh yeah, here's another mount. So it comes with multiple mounts that you can opt to do. This one looks like it's already got self-adhesive. You could just stick it to the dashboard, and then it's adjustable. That's pretty nice. So who knows, I may end up using that here if that camera, or if the monitor's a little too heavy. You've got the power cables, you've got some zip ties, you got the locking wrench for the TPMS sensor. Comes with all the needed batteries, and it looks like there's at least 6 batteries in there, so they give you some extra. And then you've got the 12-volt. This is going to be used for the TPMS sensor. It's the signal booster that allows you to amplify the signal from the TPMS sensors up further towards the truck. So I'm going to have to wire this into 12 volt, and I'm going to have to do that. I got to get underneath the camper when it comes time to do that. But for right now, I'm just going to focus on getting the cameras taken care of. There is a signal booster, another signal booster here, and I will read all the instructions to figure out which ones I need to connect and where. And then you've got, let me pull all these out. You've got all the antennas, and it tells you right on there whether it's for the monitor, whether it's for a camera. It tells you very clearly marked, so that'll make things a lot easier. So let me work on. Sorry, I probably wasn't in the camera. Let me work on getting the old components off and reading the instructions.